Hello, I'm Tim Beggins, president of Elk Trading Company. In today's article, the XLE at the edge, breakdown or bullish reset. In today's article, we've got an image here from barchart.com showing the XLE ETF. This is the energy fund. The Energy Select Sector Spider Fund, the XLE, is flashing its first real signs of fatigue after an exceptional run up 30 to 40% year to date and fueled by $90 to $100 oil. Energy has been the market's clear leader in 2026, but leadership rarely moves in a straight line. Technically, the XLE is now testing a critical zone. Price is barely holding the 21 period moving average, often the dividing line between momentum continuation and short-term trend failure. At the same time, this week's bearish candlestick on the weekly chart is the first in over 14 weeks, signaling a potential shift in character. The context matters. This pullback comes after XLE recently dropped 6 to 7% from its highs as geopolitical risk premium began to ease. That's classic late-stage trend behavior. A strong run, a sentiment peak, and then the first wave of profit taking. So what comes next? The bearish case. The profit taking continues. If XLE decisively loses the 21 period moving average, it likely triggers systematic selling and momentum unwind. With positioning crowded and energy the top performing sector, downside could accelerate as traders lock in gains. Early cracks in leadership often precede broader rotation. Now, the bullish case, a pause before new highs. The macro backdrop still supports energy. Oil remains structurally elevated amid geopolitical risk and supply constraints, and XLE continues to show strong underlying technical signals. In strong trends, the first bearish weekly candle is often a reset, not a reversal. The trade setup next week is pivotal. Hold the 21 period moving average, consolidation, and then higher highs likely. Break below, deeper pullback, and a rotational risk. The bottom line, this isn't just a chart. It's a test whether energy remains the leadership trade in a volatile macro regime. You can learn more on the sources we've included in the article. Please let us know your thoughts in the comment section below and hit that like and subscribe button. Thanks for listening. We'll see you soon.